Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to manage snake bites. The first aid treatment to give to a snake bite victim. As a person managing a victim of snake bites, the first thing you should do is to reassure the victim to minimize anxiousness. Lay down the victim in a comforting and safe position. Then tie the beaten part with a sling, bandage, bands, a piece of cloth, a splint added. Do not move the part. The victim should not be allowed to work, run, or take alcohol or any stimulants to prevent further circulation of the poison to the bloodstream or the lymphatic system. If a pressure pad can be accessed at that moment, then it should be recommended to use if the snake bite was an LPID to prevent paralysis. Avoid any interference with the beating parts like incision, rubbing, vigorous cleaning, massage, or application of herbs, paste, chemicals. Make an arrangement and transport the victim to the hospital. During the transport, place the victim, if possible, in a recovery position in case he or she feels like vomiting. It is very important to know the type of snake that beats the victim to have in hospital treatment. Subscribe.